What's the problem with fruit? Huh? What's that? You're right, it's too damn healthy. What can we do to solve that? Deep fry it. That's what we're gonna do, we're gonna deep fry it. You take your slice of orange, like so, you mix it in your simple batter. The simple batter that we did in episode 1. Get it all in there, just like your girlfriend, get it all ushy and gushy. That's correct. Take it, put it in your deep fryer, and lay it in. It's getting there. Get a little more brown. Now, depending on what fruit you're going to deep fry, oranges usually last anywhere between 1.5 minutes to 2.5 minutes, depending on how big the orange slice you use. Now, make sure to evenly coat it with the batter, like we said before. Turn it, watch for it, make sure it doesn't catch on fire. Simple enough. Don't throw it in there without batter. It'll catch fire, it'll burn your house down. Congratulations. You're homeless. Give it a couple of shakes, 2 more shakes. Any more than that, and you're playing with yourself. And we have deep fried orange slice. Should we try it? Let's cut it.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like.
It smells like a donut shop and the health food store at the same time. We've come to a very scientific conclusion. Fruit was not made to be deep fried. They're deep fried just fine, but man, it tastes like that girl you wake up the next day and go, why did I do that? Tastes just like it. That's disgusting. Ah.